Say Selenium class 22, Java, polymorphism and abstraction. Java, polymorphism and abstraction. Come to the base point. Java, just a minute. Java, object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. Short form is OOPS, Object-Oriented Programming System. Say we have 4 fundamentals of OOPS. Pavani, 4 fundamentals of OOPS. Yesterday we discussed first one.
Inheritance.
Inheritance. Next.
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Abstraction.
Good. Abstraction.
Encapsulation.
Good. You can put mute. Abstraction. Next. Encapsulation. Encapsulation. Okay, these are the 4 important features, or you can say 4 fundamentals of OOPS. See, yesterday we discussed inheritance. Today we are going to discuss polymorphism and abstraction. First, polymorphism. Observe Vijay Bhairappa. Anyhow, Java inheritance is some useful for our test automation. That is also not mandatory, optional use, but remaining concepts, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation, limited use or no use, I think. Developers may use these features in their software application development. Okay, I will explain these concepts. If any requirement is there in our test automation, you can use them. Now come Smriti Pandey, guide me for this topic. Smriti Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Existence of object behavior in many forms. Existence of object behavior. Simple definition. Enough. Existence of object behavior in many forms. Say we have 2 types of polymorphism. One is compile time polymorphism or method overloading. Next, runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Okay, I will show with examples, and you no need to focus more on polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. Yeah, inheritance, some use, remaining limited. And one more thing, you can focus more on comments, modifiers also not important, comments, next data types, variables, operators, Java control flow, exception handling, next methods and IO operations and file handling also. Okay. Come polymorphism. Existence of object behavior in many forms. existence of object behavior in many forms. See, polymorphism word derived from two Greek words, poly and morphs. Poly means many, morphs means ways or forms. So polymorphism means many forms or many ways. Okay. Existence of object behavior in many forms. Okay. Two types of polymorphism. Just a minute. Two types of polymorphism. One is observe Pavani, one is compile time. Just a minute. Compile time polymorphism, or another name is method over loading, single word. Method overloading. Next, runtime. Runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Okay. Next, first one. Observe Pavani. First one. Compile time polymorphism or method overloading. What is compile time polymorphism or method overloading, and how to achieve it I will show. First theory, then practical. Okay. Observe, if two or more methods with the same name in the same class but differ in the following ways. One is either number of arguments or type of arguments. Observe, if two or more methods with same name. Here you can ask one question, where we use same names. Already I told, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation in our test automation, limited use or no use, useless. Developers may use. Okay, concepts are there, I will explain. If any rare situation is there in our test automation, you can use them. But as of now, I think these are useless. Inheritance, some use, but usually sometimes you may use. For example, you want to create login method, login reusable component. Suppose you want two logins. One is name same. In order to understand the methods, you use name same, login. Second one also login. For first one, no arguments. Second one, arguments are there. You are using first method in 4 test cases, second method in 2 test cases. For that, you can use this method overloading concept, but rare use. Okay, now following Pavani.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you can use same names in order to understand the concepts. Otherwise, suppose login 1, login 2, you can use. No issue. There is no method overloading concept if you use login 1, login 2 like that. Suppose if you want to use same login with no parameters, one method, login with parameters, another method, you can use. How to use, I will show. If two or more methods with same name same name in the same class, in the same class, but differ in the following ways. Differ in the following ways. Observe Pavani. A, number of arguments, or you can say parameters. Anyhow, we use arguments as parameters only. Next, B, types of arguments. Just a minute. Types of arguments. Okay, I will show the example. Okay, next Vijay Bhairappa come. Pavani, now you just tell me what is method overloading? What is method overloading?
Two or more methods with same name. If in same class. If you use two or more methods in same class, but different in some ways, like number of arguments, types of arguments.
Good. If two or more methods with the same name, and in the same class, but differ in the following ways: number of arguments or types of arguments. Now come Vijay. Vijay, are you there?
Sir, I'm there. I'm here, sir.
Okay, cool, Vijay. Create a project, new, other. Suppose select Java project, Selenium tests, finish. Next, create a package, select project, new, package, suppose ABCD, finish. Next, create a class, suppose class name, method overloading, generate the main method, finish. Observe Vijay. Suppose, okay, method with returns value or returns nothing, any method. Just focus on method overloading concept. Okay, I'm going to use methods with returns nothing. You can use methods with return a value. Okay, suppose public, suppose return type nothing. Return type nothing means void. So you no need to use any data type. Why? Return type nothing. Add. But I am going to use arguments. So for arguments, data type mandatory. See, in Java programming, data type is explicit declaration. You need to specify the data type. A, suppose int B, open, close curly braces, close parenthesis, open curly braces. Next, just a minute. SO control space enter, A plus B. What are the AB values? While calling the method, we can pass arguments. We can pass values for arguments. They can be used as parameters. Okay. Now observe Vijay. Create one more method, Vijay. Suppose public void yard name same ain't a no argument, or you can use different arguments, not different number of arguments. Observe int c open curly brace. Now observe Vijay, we can differentiate first add method and second add method na.
Yes, sir.
And you no need to remember. Suppose whenever while calling this add method, if you pass two arguments, then internally it calls first add method. If you pass three arguments, then it will call second method. Suppose if you want to use both one by one, yes, pass two parameters for first one, pass three arguments or parameters for second one. Observe, just a minute. SYSO control space enter A plus B plus C. Next, one more method, public void add. This method name also same, void. Suppose parameters double A comma double B, open and close parenthesis, system dot out dot println A plus B. Now observe Vijay, we have three methods in this class. We declared three methods. Method names same, add. First one for adding two integer values. Second one for adding three integer values. Third one for adding two double values. Floating means decimal values. Getting the point, Vijay, find the difference. Observe
sir, here we are. Sir, here we are creating the method with the same name, but only data type is different.
Not only
and
data
arguments
type.
are
Observe this first one and second one. Data type same, but number of arguments differ. Number of arguments. I fulfilled this first one. Number of arguments. Next, types of arguments. Next, observe first and third one. First one, third one. Number of arguments same. How many? Two. But type of arguments different. First one integer, second one double. What is the problem, Bhairappa?
Sir, got it, sir. So just wanted to confirm, sir. So in case if we have a method of the same name, but we cannot pass the argument of same data type. That is the condition, sir, we should follow.
Yes, we need to follow. Pardon? I'm not getting.
That means we cannot have the. Sir, we cannot have the argument of same type for the same method. So we should follow this condition. No, sir.
No. Suppose if you want to use same name for multiple methods, that time we use this one. Already I told in test automation, no use or no use. Suppose if you want to create a login method 2 times or 3 times with same name, suppose first login with no argument, second login with 2 arguments, username, password, that time you can. Otherwise, without using this method overloading concept, you can use login 1, login 2. Then what is the problem?
Yes, sir.
No need to focus this one. Now come Vijay, create object in this class. Create object. Suppose class name, method overloading, obj equals to new method overloading semicolon. Next, just a minute. Obj dot observe here three add methods available, Vijay. First you select int a, b, two arguments. Otherwise you select double one, no issue. Suppose if you enter integers, it will consider integers only, isn't it?
Sir.
Say suppose if I am selecting this middle one, int a, b, suppose 10, 20, I can get correct output. What is the functionality of this method? Adding two integers. Okay. Suppose, observe Vijay, same method name. I am selecting first one, add double, but I am using integers only, no issue. Internally it will call that middle method only. Suppose same method, if I use decimal point values, it will use that first method, double, 3.7. Suppose if I use based on this values for arguments, observe Bhairappa, method name same, you can select any one with the same name, then based on your arguments, it will pick the method. Observe, now method same, but I used three arguments, 6. Okay. Next, observe Vijay. Suppose if you use incorrect data types, suppose first one 1, comma second one 2.5. What will happen? It is not showing any syntax error, Bhairappa. I think it may use integer values. Observe, what is the correct output in mathematics? 1 plus 2.9, 3.9. I think it will show 3. Oh, 3.9. It is working. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute, Bhairappa. It is considering this one is 1.0.
Yes, sir. Decimal it is.
Decimal. Suppose if you don't have this method, double method, what will happen? Now, observe, Bhairappa. Now it is showing error, na?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, even though you type 1, internally it is considering 1.0. Now, no double method, na? Error. Okay. Yes. Just a minute. Source, remove block comment. Observe Sirisha, 1, 2. I am calling first method. Next, I am calling second method. Next, I am calling third method. 1.1, 2.2. Run the program. ID showing. Oh. Okay. Now observe Sirisha, any confusion? Method overloading?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you come Jyotirmai. Come. Second one, runtime polymorphism or runtime.
Override.
Runtime. I think indirectly we covered that one. Okay. Yesterday I think I didn't cover, but similarities are there. Just a minute. A runtime polymorphism or method overriding. What is the functionality of this concept? If two or more methods with same name available in the superclass and subclass. Observe Jyotirmayi, earlier in the same class.
Same class, yeah.
But here method name same, but available in super and subclass. Then what will happen?
Superclass means parent.
Super means parent, sub means child.
Parent.
If
Child class.
two or more, methods with same name available in the parent class and subclass, or you can say child class. Just a minute. Child class. Example. Observe Jyoti. Create a class, new class 1. Suppose generating main method. Just a minute. Next, declare a method. Suppose I am declaring some instance variables also, or you can say regular variables. Int a equal to 10. Next, b equal to 20. Next, create a method public void add open curly braces. Next, suppose system dot out dot println a plus b. Okay. Now you create object means instance of the class and call this method. Say class 1 obj equal to, just a minute, equal to new class 1 open and close parenthesis semicolon. Next, obj just a minute, obj dot what is that one, add run the program. Here it does this method doesn't return any value, only we are displaying anyhow inside display statement available 30. Okay na? Next, come create one more class, Jyoti, one more class. Class 2. Suppose generate the main method. Otherwise, you can type the main method if you know the syntax, no issue. Okay. Next, here also create one method, declare one method, Jyotirmayi. Suppose before that I am creating two instance variables. Suppose int a equal to 1, 2. Next, b equal to 2, 3. Semicolon. Next, declare a method or define a method or create a method. Public void add open curly braces. Next, system A plus B. A plus B. Now observe, Jyoti, add method in class 1 functionality same na? Add this method functionality is same. Create object in this one. Create object in this one. First inherit this one. Inherit. Extends class 1. Okay. Next, create object. We inherited already. Create object. Class 2. Class 2 na this one.
Yeah, class 2 dot.
Obj2 equal to new
class 2.
Class 2 open and close parenthesis semicolon. Next,
and then
obj2 dot suppose add. Observe Jyotirmai. It gives here method overriding. Method overriding. Why? See, methods with same name add available in child class and parent class. Methods method overriding, but it gives first priority to local class, means home class. Then
like child.
Then parent class. Then parent class. Just a minute. You create one 35. More. Suppose one more. Multi-level inheritance. Suppose class 3. Class 3. Just a minute. Suppose int a equal to 100. B equal to 200. Next, public void add open curly braces. Suppose system dot out dot println of A plus B. Now inherit
extends class 2.
Extends class 2. Now class 2 is parent for class 3. Class 1 is grandparent for class 3. In these three classes, you can find a add method. Suppose if you want to execute this one, first create object class 3. Suppose obj3 equal to new class 3 open and close parenthesis semicolon. Next, suppose obj3 dot add. Run the program. It will show. It will use or it will call home class method. First priority. Run the program. 300. Suppose in this local class, no method available. No method available. Suppose source add block comment. Then priority goes to nearest parent.
Class 2.
Parent
then.
Class 2.
So 35.
Class 1 also same, but class 1 is grandparent, but nearest parent is class 2. What is the output? 35, I think. 35, I think. Run the program. 35. Suppose in the parent also no such method. Just a minute. Source add block. Now we are calling add method. Add not available in the local class means home class, and not available in parent also, but available in grandparent. It will show 30,
No,
I think. 30. Run the
30.
program. 30. Okay, na? Vijay Bhairappa, did you understand this concept or any confusion?
No, sir, understood.
Understood,
sir.
Okay, cool.
It will take the precedence of the higher this one, sir.
Remove block comment. Observe Sirisha. Any confusion, Sirisha? Vijaya.
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool.
Understood, sir.
Okay, cool, Sirisha. Suppose this is class 1. Class 1. Just a minute. Next, class 2. Class 2. Next, class 3. Class 3. Just a minute. Say this is about polymorphism. Polymorphism, existence of object behavior in many forms. Next, come to next topic, abstraction. Abstraction. Okay, we already discussed our test automation point of view. Abstraction also not useful, useless. Okay, concept is there, I will explain. It may be used in future. Otherwise, leave it. And one more thing, developers use this concept for software application development, but testing point of view, nowadays it is helpless or useless. Maybe used in future, may not be. Okay. Abstraction. Come Vijaya. Guide me for some time, Vijaya. What is abstraction? It is a process of hiding implementation details and showing functionality only to the user. It is a process of hiding implementation. Already I told you, no need to focus on this one, and you no need to ask that question, sir, where we use abstraction in our test automation. We don't use. Okay. It is a process of, suppose if you ask, sir, where we use Java conditional statements, I can say to insert verification points in our test cases and for error handling, we can use Java conditional statements. Suppose if you ask, sir, where we use operators, say in order to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations, we use operators. Comparison is most important concept in our testing. Next, if you use, sir, where we use loops, looping through the code. For repetitive execution, we can use most probably in data-driven testing. Okay. Suppose if you ask, where we use user-defined methods in our test automation, say for creating reusable components, code reusability. For code reusability, we use user-defined methods. Exception handling, we use comments. We can use comments, not writing comments. Writing meaningful comments is a best practice, not syntax rule. Okay, now Vijay, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come. Abstraction. It is a process of hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Next, we have two types of methods. One is concrete methods. Up to now we discussed concrete methods only. Concrete methods means complete methods. Second one, abstract methods. Abstract method means incomplete methods. Okay, come. If, not if, it is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality just a minute, functionality to the end user. Okay, we have two types of methods in Java, not only Java, in computer programming. Two types of methods. In this scenario, say, don't go for other scenario. Two types of methods: predefined methods, user-defined methods. That is another classification. In this scenario, we have two types of methods. In this scenario, one is concrete methods. Concrete methods means complete methods, means the methods which are having body, Next, second one, abstract methods. Abstract method means the methods which are not having the body, Observe, Vijaya, concrete method. Example, just I will show skeleton. Later I will show the example. Just now, syntax. Public void, suppose add. You can use another type of methods also. Now I am using methods with returns nothing. Next, method body statements. Here I am not using complete syntax, partial syntax. Here every normal statement should end with semicolon. Okay. This is next. Come to this one. Example. Public void add. Here we need to use abstract keyword. Abstract, otherwise syntax error. Observe, Vijaya. Here, second one, abstract method, no body na.
Yes, sir.
Later we will decide body. Okay, not we. Developers decide body. Whenever they want to use this method, then they define. But in our test automation, we don't use abstract methods. We create concrete methods only, complete methods only. So you no need to worry about this one. Just remember, abstract methods like this. Like this. Now, comes Sirisha. Okay, Vijaya, I will call you later. Come Sirisha. One small topic. if we know the method name, when we go for, not we developers, when we go for abstract methods, if you know the method name, but method name means primary purpose. If you know the method name but don't know the method functionality, then we go for abstract method. Later we will define method while calling. Next, Java class contains 100% concrete methods. Earlier we used Java classes for writing Java code. Java class contains 100% concrete methods. Next, abstract class. Here, general class, abstract class. Abstract class contains one or more abstract methods. Observe this point, Sirisha. Here concept is,
Yes, sir.
when we, not we, usually developers, when we go for abstract methods instead of concrete methods. Observe, if we know the method name means primary purpose,
Yes, sir.
but not exact functionality, but don't know the method functionality, then we go for abstract methods. Okay, observe the next point. Java class. You know how to create Java class. So far, we created and used so many Java classes. General Java class, here you need not to say general only, it is default, contains 100% concrete methods, means no abstract method allowed. If any one abstract method is there in any class, then that class can be called as abstract class. Next, abstract class contains one or more, minimum one abstract methods. Did you understand these points? Sirisha, understand these points? I will provide one case study to understand this concept easily.
Yes, sir.
Class 1. This is one small case study. Observe, Sirisha. Class 1. Suppose class 1 having 10 methods. Class 1 having 10 methods, in which 10 methods are concrete. Concrete means complete methods. Then it is Java class or general class or abstract class, Sirisha. It is a Java class, general class, or abstract
yes,
class?
sir. Java class.
Java class, general class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next observe. Suppose class 2 Sirisha having 10 methods only. 10 methods only. 9 methods are concrete methods and one method is abstract method. Then Sirisha, then it is a Java class or means general class or abstract class. Abstract class also Java abstract class.
Java class contains 100% concrete methods, right? No, sir. Java abstract class.
Abstract class. Next, observe third one, class 3. Class 3. Suppose what we told, one or more. In this class, all 10 methods are abstract methods. Then it is a Java class or abstract class?
Abstract class.
Abstract class. Now you can find, observe Jyotirmayi. Understand this case study, Jyotirmayi?
Yes, sir, I got it.
See, if all methods are concrete methods, then class, general class. Or
General
you can say Java class. Suppose one or more methods, one or all are abstract, then you can say Java abstract class only. Okay. Now you come Smriti Pandey. I will show an example. Smriti Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Example for abstract class. Abstract class. Example for abstract class. Observe. Suppose create a class. Suppose class name bikes. Class name bikes. Just a minute. Class name bikes. Observe. You create some methods. Suppose public void handle open and close parenthesis. Suppose some body. Suppose any meaningful. Bikes have handle. Bikes have handle. Observe Smriti Pandey, is it a concrete method or abstract method? Smriti Pandey not responding. You come, Pavani.
Concrete method, sir.
Concrete method. Body is there. Next, observe public void suppose seat open curly brace. Just a minute. SYSO control space enter system dot out dot println. Bikes have seats. Okay. This one, Pavani, concrete or abstract?
Concrete, sir. Concrete.
Next, observe. Public void engine. Public void engine. Observe, Pavani. I created abstract method. It is showing guidance.
Here,
Observe.
Abstract.
Two sessions. Add body. Suppose I am not going to add body this time. This is abstract method. So change bikes dot engine to abstract. Abstract. And one more. Class also showing why. Suppose in your class one or more methods are abstract, then make the class as abstract.
Right.
Okay, now clear. Next, public abstract void suppose wheels semicolon. Now observe, Pavani, in this abstract class. Okay, in this class I planned 4 methods. First 2 methods are concrete methods, remaining 2 are abstract methods. While calling, I will define. Okay, now try to.
Sir. Sir, earlier we had only given the class name as public class bike, sir. Since here we have 4 methods, mixture of both concrete and abstract, so we need to define the class name as also abstract, sir.
Class name also abstract. What I told, case study, observe.
It is non-accessible.
Reading the case study also you are asking that question. See, observe. In this class 2, 9 methods, concrete, 1 method, abstract class. Suppose in this third one, all 10 abstract class. If any one method abstract, then abstract class only. We cannot say that class has complete class. Abstract class means incomplete class.
Incomplete class. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, come Pavani, create object Pavani in order to access these methods. Suppose bikes.
OBJ equal to.
Just a minute.
Class.
Bikes. OBJ
Object
equals to
new bikes.
Bikes. Open and close parenthesis. Semicolon. Observe, Pavani, it is showing error na. We cannot create object or instance of the class for abstract class. Observe. What it is showing?
Error, sir. That is non-accessible.
Non-access. It's not accept. We cannot create. Okay.
Yes.
How to use that I will show. Just observe this small point. Small point. How to use we will discuss later. Observe. Note. We cannot create object for object in abstract class. Okay, you put mute for some time, Pavani. Next, you come Vijay. Next concept, Vijay. I want to reuse this one. Already I told, whenever you want to call abstract methods, then you need to implement first. Okay, inherit abstract class or class members. Observe Vijay. You create one more class. Suppose I'm going to inherit this bikes class. New. Suppose class name Hero Honda. Class name Hero Honda. No. Otherwise remove this one, later we will use. Observe inherit bikes class extends bikes. It is showing guidance. What is that one? The type Hero Honda must implement inherited abstract methods bikes wheels. Must implement. Where is the suggestion? Just a minute. Must implement, okay. But where is that suggestion? Just a minute. Suppose new class Hero Honda, generate the main method. Next, inherit extends bikes. Observe guidance. Earlier we didn't generate main method. Generate the main method first. Observe guidance, Bhairappa. Add unimplemented methods. First implement. Then you can use all. Just a minute.
So what is that override mean, sir?
Overriding. That is comment. Actually, here no override. That is comment. Suppose what is that one? Bikes. Bikes have engine. Next. Bikes have wheels. Now, observe Vijay.
Only for the abstract class is asking, sir.
Only for abstract class. Only for reusing. Now try to create instance in this class. Suppose what is the class name? Hero Honda. Suppose obj equal to new Hero Honda, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, obj dot, suppose first what we defined, in the home class, seat, I think, seat,
handle,
obj
It is in
dot type H, handle, next, obj dot type E, engine, next, obj dot, just a minute, obj dot wheels. Run the program. What is the problem?
Sir, you declared methods in after main, sir.
After main, but it is not showing any error. No, declaring after main only. Just a minute. Obj, okay, run the program. Nothing coming.
Sir, object is created after, not in the main method, sir.
Object.
Creation of the object.
Creation of the object after main method only. This is main method only.
Sir, after that, we close the bracelet.
Pardon? Just a minute. Abstract class. Actually, method declaration. Just a minute. Some problem is there. Here one brass, and declare the methods before main method.
Before the class.
Means outside of the main method. Just a minute. Just a minute. Outside of the main method. Observe, Vijay, earlier, no syntax error, no desired output, na?
Yes.
No syntax error, no desired output. That time actually debugging required. When debugging required, Sirisha, when debugging is required? Just question. When debugging is required?
When there is no syntax errors.
Okay, forget about. Say, suppose our test case in our scenario, general scenario, suppose program, in our program, like, okay, suppose our test case is not showing any errors and not providing correct output, means desired output, then debugging is required. Step-by-step execution in order to locate the error, internal error required. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now observe Bhairappa, run the pro. Now it is showing output na?
Yes, sir.
Final
first
conclusion.
First two outputs from the from the parent, sir, and the second two outputs from the child.
No, don't say like that. Don't say like that. All methods are declared in parent only, but in parent two complete methods, two incomplete methods. Whenever you want to use incomplete methods, you complete that body. Just we are completing, not declaring. Getting this point? Declaring is different, completing is different.
Sir.
Foundation in first class only. What is the problem?
Yes, sir. Sir, like that means we did not know, like in the class of bytes, There, the abstract was incomplete, sir. Means we had not provided the body. For the class of the Hero Honda, we provided the body for the abstract. So
Yes.
we are completing the method.
Okay, we are completing the methods, but that doesn't mean that the methods belongs to Hero Honda, isn't it? Methods belongs to parent class only.
Bike, sir, yeah.
Methods belongs to parent only, but here completing. Why you are completing? Without completing those methods, you cannot use even completed methods also.
Sir, correct. Okay, sir.
That's why.
So dependency is there, sir.
Yes, dependency is there. And don't focus more on this one. Anyhow, we are not going to use this concept. Developers will use. And what about this first one? What about just a minute. Just a minute. What about that main one?
Bike, sir.
Bike. Bike. Where is the bike?
Sir, beside your own.
Bike. Just a minute. Hero Honda obj2 equal to new Hero Honda observe this concept, Vijay. Reverse engineering. Observe. We are going to create object in object using child class. Why? In the child class only we completed the abstract methods. Suppose just a minute. Suppose I want to call only two methods. You no need to call all methods. That is optional. If you want, you can call. Observe syntax errors. Where syntax errors? Object 2. I used object 2.
OBJ2.
Okay. OBJ2. Run the program. Okay. Now observe Jyotirmayi. What you understood? In order to use methods in the home abstract class, in the home class, you need to create object using child class name. Why? In that child class only we completed the implementation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Observe Vijay. Any queries, Vijay?
Sir, since you have done this class in the child class in the parent node, sir, the same can be implemented in your inheritance, sir?
No. It's only for abstract classes, not for general classes.
Okay, sir.
Not for general classes. Abstract. Why? Here no facility. That's why. Observe the note. Observe Srisha. Here my question is how to use class leave it methods. How to use methods, or another name is how to call, not another name, correct name. How to call methods in home class. This is abstract class. Tell me, Sirisha.
First, you have to create the object using the child class.
Child class. Child class means you already inherited. Otherwise, no meaning of child class. Okay.
Yes.
First, create object using. Just a minute. Child class name, then call
in child class we have to
classmate. Simple. Why this child class? Suppose we complete.
We do the implementation there.
That is general. We complete implementation in child class. Okay, na Sirisha? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, now come. You come, Sirisha. And one more topic, Sirisha. This is also not used in test automation, but Java programming point of view, important one. Come, Java. Do you hate this term? Interfaces. Java interfaces. Interface. Yes, interface is a Java type definition block, as like class. Interface is a Java type definition block which 100% abstract, not like abstract class. Say interface is a Java type definition block which is 100% abstract. Observe, Sirisha, class, Java class versus interface. Class versus interface. See, Java classes have 100% concrete methods. See, Java classes have 100% concrete methods. And observe, Sirisha, in Java, abstract classes also there, na?
Yes, sir.
But abstract, but no abstract interface. Interface means abstract only. Interface.
Yes, sir. 100% abstract.
100% abstract. By default abstract. But class, yes, not like that. General class 100% concrete methods. Next, but abstract classes have one or more
abstract
and one methods. More thing, all also 100% also. One is minimum. One or more
or all
abstract
methods.
Okay. Next, Java class, Java interface, just a minute, interface Java interfaces have 100% abstract methods. Say this is class versus this one interface. Next, come.
Sir, what is the Java interface of 100% abstract methods?
Means
pure abstract.
Pardon?
That means only abstract methods.
In Java, I didn't create Java interface. You don't know how Java interface is. After that, you can ask. And one more thing, Java interface as like Java class. In that, only abstract methods, no concrete methods. Any problem?
Okay, sir.
Observe why you are dragging this one. Suppose class 100% concrete methods confirmed. Next, abstract class, one or more or all abstract methods. Suppose one abstract, 9 concrete, abstract class only. Suppose all 10 abstract class only. Suppose interface, we didn't create interface, going to create interface, 10 methods are there, all 10 abstract only. Then what is the problem?
Okay, sir.
It is 100% abstract. But don't ask where we use interface in our test automation. We don't use. Okay, now?
Okay.
Just in order to show that alternate of Java class, it is not 100% alternate, just as like class, I am explaining this concept. But in our test automation, we don't use interfaces. We don't use. Come Sirisha, interfaces have 100%. Next, abstract. Just a minute. Java classes have 100% concrete methods. Here, just remove this one. 100% concrete methods.
That was the statement which was confusing, sir. That's why I asked. It was contradicting. That's why I asked, sir.
Okay, cool. Now observe. Now only this one. Class versus interface. Second one, abstract class. Okay, cool, Vijay. Abstract class versus interface. Abstract class. Abstract class or classes have one or more abstract. I already told all also abstract methods. Next, same interfaces.
Pure abstract.
100%. No one or more concept. No one or more concept. This is second classification. Now observe Sirisha. One more. Third one. Class versus abstract class. Guide me, Sirisha. Class versus abstract class. Class, Java class have 100% concrete methods confirmed. Next,
Yes, sir.
Abstract classes have one or more.
One or more abstract methods.
Now we differentiated all three na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now observe class, abstract class, one category. Declaration same. Next interface different one. Okay. Now come Vijay. Observe some points about interfaces, Vijay. Anyhow, we don't use observe, but interface is a good concept in Java programming. Not only Java programming, object-oriented programming. Okay. Observe the points regarding interfaces. All the interface methods are by default public and abstract. We already discussed 100% abstract. And one more point, by default public only. No other modifiers allowed, Bhairappa.
Okay, sir.
All the interface methods are by default public, no private and other modifiers, and abstract. Here observe Jyoti, abstract is non-modifier, non-access modifier na, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So far we used 3 non-access modifiers, Jyotirmayi. Can you recollect? So far we used 3 non-access modifiers. Those 3 only important for us. What are those 3? Can you list out Pavani? Static we used. Next. Final, yes. For declaring constants we used final. Finalizing. Next abstract.
And then
abstract. These 3 only enough. Others also they're synchronized, etc. But we don't use. Observe, Jyotirmayi, any confusion?
No, sir. No.
Next come Vijay. Points regarding interfaces. Static and final modifiers are not allowed for interface methods. Observe this restriction. Static and final modifiers. Here you are getting one point, Vijaya. We cannot create static methods in interfaces na, only in Java classes na. But we can create non-static methods in interfaces as well as classes. Respond, Vijaya. Static and final modifiers are not allowed in interface methods. Next, observe Vijay. One more restriction. In interfaces, variables have to initialize at the time of declaration only. Okay, na, Vijay? Variables have to initialize at the time of declaration. Not in Java, not like that, not like Java classes. In Java classes, first you declare, whenever you want to initialize, you can initialize, but here not like that. See, in interfaces, variables have to initialized when? At the time of declaration. At the time of declaration only, not after the declaration. Observe the example, small example. Suppose int a, next a equal to 100. Is it correct declaration? For class it is correct. For interfaces it is
wrong.
Incorrect.
Wrong.
Suppose int a equal to 100. It is correct.
Correct declaration.
Correct. Okay. Next, observe Vijay, two more restrictions, 2 more points. In interfaces, variables are public and final by default. Final variables,
Yes,
values may not, will not vary. See, in interfaces, variables, just a minute, variables are public and final by default. Next, last point, interfaces are going to be used using implements keyword. Bhairappa, classes are going to be used using extends, inheritance. Okay.
yes, sir.
Interfaces are going to be used using this double quotes only for understanding. Don't use double quotes for keywords. Implements keyword. Just a minute. Keyword. Observe, Vijay, how to create interface as like Java class. That hierarchy is Java class. Observe, create interface. Java project, first Java project.
Java package.
Next, Java package. Next,
Interface.
Java
Interface.
Or same navigation for Java class also. Okay. Here, observe this note. In Java classes and interfaces, we write Java code. Okay. Now, Vijaya is there or not? Not responding. Preeti Joshi. Come, Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Create interface. Create last concept for the week. Create interface. Launch Eclipse. Put mute. Otherwise, avoid the disturbance. New. Observe Jyotirmayi interface. I. Not class.
Yes.
Not class. Interface. Okay. Here no main method na. By default public. Name of the interface. Suppose interface 1. Interface 1. Finish. Okay. Next, all abstract na. By default abstract.
By default abstract.
Public void suppose engine semicolon. Just a minute. Suppose
here no abstract keywords, sir.
Not required. By default abstract.
Okay, sir.
By default abstract. Yes. Class means one or more. Here no one or more. By default. So that abstract is default. Wheels. Next. Handle. Okay. Now we cleared 4 methods. Next, observe Jyotirmayi. Reuse interface methods to class.
Use interface methods to class.
Class. Class. You create one class. Suppose.
But already we have used these ones in the class, right?
Okay, you create another class. What will happen? Nothing.
Class.
Nothing. Otherwise, suppose if you have confusion, remove this one.
Bikes class.
Now create one class. Suppose
Interface.
class 1. Class 1. Class 1. Now, what is the keyword? Implements. Implements.
Implement keyword we have to use in interfaces, right?
Interface. Reusing interface. Reusing to class or interface. Just a minute. What I told. Interfaces going to be used using an implements keyword. Then what is the problem? I didn't say used in interfaces or in classes. What is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Observe. Who is asking?
Pavani, sir.
Pavani. Say I didn't say class or interface, that is destination. Just how to use implements interface 1. Interface 1. Now it is showing the guidance. Observe Jyotirmayi.
Yes, sir.
Add unimplemented methods na.
Yes.
Add. Just a minute. Earlier also problem happened. Just a minute.
Yeah, we need to use.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose wheels.
Handle seat.
Handle seat. You can write any meaningful code. Just I'm using simple code. SYSO control space enter. Bikes have engine. Just a minute. Bikes have seat. Next. Bikes have handle. Next. Bikes have, just a minute. Bikes have wheels. Okay. Now, Jyotirmay, we implemented. Now, try to create instance. Object instance of the class 1. Suppose obj equal to new class 1. Just a minute. Semicolon. Next, obj dot engine. Suppose obj dot wheels. You can call all methods if required. Otherwise, only some methods. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Some methods also, no problem. Okay. Run the program. Observe Pavani.
Yes, sir.
Executing na?
Yes, sir.
Executing. Okay. Next. Just a minute. This is interface. Next class.
Yes.
Just a minute. This is interface. Class. Here first implement, then use. Next, observe Jyotirmay. Interface to use methods in interface. Use methods in interface.
Okay.
Use methods in interface. Just a minute. Go to interface. Create main method. Public, static, void, main, string, square brackets, args. Next, open curly braces, close. Next, reverse engineering, same. Reverse engineering.
Interface.
In interface we cannot create object or instance using class name. Using class name. Class 1. Suppose ABC
Variable
equals to, not variable.
New
Class object name. Pavani. Object name concept is.
Or we need to use the new keyword.
Yes. New. Now okay. Now ABC just a minute. Suppose dot engine, next abc dot wheels, next abc dot handle, next abc dot seat. Run the interface. Now executing now.
Yeah. Executing.
Observe Vijay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Just a minute.
No confusion,
Just a minute. I'm going to give an assignment to you, Vijay. Assignment. End of the week. Before that, observe Pavani reuse concept. Reuse methods. Reuse Java methods. One way, class. Class to class. Class to class. 2. Abstract class to class. Next, third one, interface to class. Observe Jyotirmai, here class to class we use extends keyword na. Implements or extends? Extends keyword. Next, here abstract class to class.
Extend.
Same keyword only, but one small note. First complete abstract methods, then use all methods. Okay, na Pavani, any confusion?
Okay, sir.
Next, interface to class, use what is the keyword? Implements keyword. Here also note. Here no some abstract, some complete, all. First complete or implement. Complete, or you can say implement all methods. All are abstract only by default. Then you can use all methods. Okay na Bhairappa, any confusion?
No, sir.
Observe Vijay, assignment to you. That facility is there or not? First check if facility available, then try that. Reuse methods. first observe Bhairappa. First check the possibility. Suppose whenever you want to perform anything, first check the possibility. Suppose if it is impractical, then how can you do? First check the possibility. If possible, then do. Methods, reuse methods from one interface to another. Okay, na? Did you understand this concept, Vijay?
Interface only we need to use the method, sir.
Interface to interface. Earlier, observe Vijay, class to class we worked. Next, abstract class to class. Yes. Next, interface to, see, observe the combinations. Earlier, class to class. Yes, we worked it.
Work, sir. It worked.
We worked it. Class to class. Next, abstract. Abstract class to class. And one more thing, Bhairappa, class to abstract class, that is impractical. Next, interface to class. Interface to class. These three we did.
Class to interface also impractical, right?
Yes. Now check. I'm not confirming this one. Check interface to interface. Okay, na Bhairappa, any confusion? Did you understand the assignment? Try to understand.
Yes, so we need to
first create one interface. And then create another interface. Then try to access or call. Try to call methods from first interface. First you check that possibility, possible or not. Then you can go for that example. Isn't it?
Yes,
I'm going to close the session, Jyotirmai. Any queries, Jyotirmai? Today we discussed
No,
two.
sir, I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Observe Balasubramaniam. Today we discussed two concepts. One is polymorphism, another is abstraction. Any queries?
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Vijay.
sir. No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Pavani.
Happy weekend, sir.
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Same to you, Vijay. Next, Preeti Joshi.
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Welcome. Sirisha.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next, Smriti Pandey.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. We will meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.